Welcome to the Art Circle Public Library's Christmas in July 2020. Today with me I have Eileen Safrany, and she has made us kits for a gift card holder or a money holder, and she's made the kits up for us and is now instructing us on how to put those together.
Okay, what we're making is essentially this. Each kit is going to have different colors, and as you put them together, you'll notice some have 2 colors in them, some have 3, some might even have 6 different colors. And what you're going to start with is the large daisy. You're going to take the daisy, and each side you're going to fold down from one corner to the other, fold it down. The second one, as you can tell, I already folded this. The third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. Now, when you go to fold the sixth one, that is the one that's going to get tucked under the first. So it will go. You may have to practice 1 or 2 times, but it will go. Now, that is what your finished product is going to look like before you start gluing on the accessories. So let's do that. You're going to open this up, and you're going to have the largest piece in your kit. You're going to put glue on it, and I'm using a dry glue so we can get this done quickly, and put this on the inside. Like, position it so you have relatively the same amount of room on all sides. Now, turn it over, and you have a Christmas tree that you're going to put in the middle on the back. Okay. Now, you have different colors or all the same color, it doesn't matter. You're going to put these about 1/4 of an inch down on each side. And just be sure if you're using a wet glue, be sure you let the glue dry before you start folding. And since these are all the same, you're going to go right around. 4 we're doing. 5. And the last one. Now, before you put it together, press down on each one of the pieces you have glued to be sure they are holding, including the tree and the one on the inside. Then you can start your folding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your 6th one goes under the first. Now, remember, you have 2 pieces now, so hold them good while you're bringing that in. And that is your finished product. Now, you can tape and put glue, ribbon on it, a bow on it, or whatever else you want. But that's it.
I think it's cute the way it is.
And as I said, each kit has different colors, and you can accessorize it any way you want, and it makes a nice, even a little Christmas tree ornament. Thank you.
Thank you, Eileen. Thank you for the kits, and thank you for showing us how to put them together. Merry Christmas!